As we have a tradition of unveiling the best technologies in the country at our center, today again I am going to repeat history by unveiling a new technology for all those patients who are suffering from acne and acne scarring, because this is one set of patients who are really distressed. They get a lot of treatments done from laser, subcision, filling, fat transfer, everything, and still they are disappointed. Now this is a revolutionary treatment. What I'm going to unveil, this is subcision radio frequency, especially for Cellina PR, for patients who are suffering from any kinds of scar, deep wrinkling, and we have to do subcision for all those patients. Now this is the latest in medical technology to do subcision with radio frequency, with minimal downtime, minimal swelling, minimal bruising, and wonderful results and happy patients.
Thank you so much.
Three, two, one, start.